Hello traders and welcome in a new daily market analysis video. Today is the 18th of March 2022 and this video is brought to you by the market research team at PU Prime. Today is the last day of our trading week. Basically markets are a little bit stable at the moment given the stability in the geopolitical tensions for the time being. So what do we have on our charts and how to trade safely in the current situation and how to trade in the last day of a trading week? All of those questions will be answered in a moment. Welcome back everyone, and let's have a look on the economic agenda for today, Friday the 18th of March. Basically today we had the Bank of Japan monetary policy statement and the Bank of Japan press conference, which was followed basically, or it followed the Bank of England and the Federal Reserve. So it has been a full week of the monetary policy decisions by the central banks. Today we also have the core retail sales numbers to be announced from the Canadian economy month over month for January, which is expected to come higher than usual because basically the retail sales is an indicator which isn't adjusted for inflation. So the previous number showed a decrease of 2.5%. The current expectations show an increase of 2.4%. And personally, I do believe that the numbers would be much higher than they expected. Again, it is not adjusted for inflation. We also have the existing home sales from the US economy for the month of February. And again, it is showing a slight decrease from the previous month. That's what we're having on the economic agenda. Let's have a look on the US dollar. Basically, during the past whole week, we had our target on the US dollar index around the support of $98. We basically reached those levels, and at the moment, it seems to me that we are having a perfect trading range on the US dollar. So we are having a series of equal highs and we have created two equal lows. So it's a very good trading range, basically an equilibrium price on the short time frame on the US dollar is in place. So we're having this supports and resistances, and basically I expect that we will be having a continued move to the sideways range until either one of those resistance or support levels are basically broken above or below. So during the day, basically, as long as we are trading above those levels of 97.70, we are basically bullish on the dollar index. On the very short time frame, we will be having our targets set to be around the equilibrium price, which is roughly around 98.55, and then the following targets should be around the resistance, which is 99.20 levels roughly. So we are long on the dollar index. We have the targets 98.56 and then the 99.20 points on the dollar index. Having another look on the US on the gold trading, basically we had this brilliant rejection from the levels of support that we mentioned around 1910. This upward move seems to me like an impulsive one on the 30 minutes time frame. What is happening at the moment on gold trading is basically a correction. Whenever the correction ends, we are basically still bullish on the gold trading on the very short time frame. We will be having our targets yet again on the previous high, 1950 roughly, and then 1958. This is what we are expecting on the gold trading during the day. Basically, the US crude oil, we had this brilliant upward move yesterday. At the moment, it seems to me that the US crude oil basically formed a double bottom reversal pattern, and that's why we had this brilliant upward move. And at the moment, we reached a level which basically might begin the retracement because it is a very strong resistance around the 105.30. And it seems to me also that on the momentum indicator, we're having this bearish divergence. So we are having this bearish divergence around the levels of resistance 105.30. So basically a retracement on the 30 minutes time frame on the short time frame on US crude is basically something we will be looking for. So that was all for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. We will catch up again in the next week with a daily market analysis video. Thank you for watching and please stay safe.